Hey, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my Pastoral Diary Book Nook set by Yanji Shop.
Let me start with the overall quality of this book nook. So the print quality is very high definition. Even though these stickers are really tiny, you can still see the book titles and the artwork really well. The instructions are also very clear. So here I'm just covering all of the books with the stickers to fill up the cute little library in this book nook. And then you move on to some of the bigger items like the furniture. The pieces are all made out of wood. It's very high quality, so there were no scratchy edges. Everything fit together just right, making this a very family-friendly puzzle to do together. So not only is it easy to put together, but all of the furniture pieces are also really beautiful. They have that dollhouse quality. And so whether you're going to use this for yourself or you're going to put it in your daughter's room, I think it's going to be gorgeous. Just look at this little grand piano. It's so cute. So the attention to detail is really spot on with this book nook set. So if you are feeling the need to redecorate your house, why don't you just start with a book nook? It's so much fun. You get to make all of these little furniture items. Like right now, working on the mantelpiece, you have a little fireplace that you add in, and you also get to do lighting in this book nook. So I believe there are about 4 LED lights. So if you are not a wiring professional yet, you will be after doing this book nook. But it's very easy to do it because of the instructions that are very simple to follow. After finishing this book nook, I am sure you are going to feel so accomplished with the beautiful vintage little cottage house that you just made with all of your hard work.
With this set, you get to enjoy a 3D puzzle and you have a beautiful final piece that you can display. So it's definitely a win-win in my opinion. I think you're gonna love it, but that's just my point of view.